Paying with Afterpay on eBay is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can pay with Afterpay on eBay. Well, the process is pretty simple. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google. You just have to search for eBay and then you have to go to eBay's website. Now, after going to the eBay's website, you have to select any of the product that you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy this iPhone, so I'm just going to click on that and it will open up in the new page. Now here, I'm just going to do it randomly, but you have to be careful by doing this. So I'm just going to do that and I'm going to click on buy now and I'm going to continue as checkout or checkout as a guest. Now here, as you guys can see, this is the address that they want to push me and this is all the, payment methods. It does not contain Afterpay right here because in my region, the Afterpay is not available. But in your case, you will be able to see your Afterpay right here and it totally depends upon your account credibility as well. If you see it, you can actually do that. However, there's another thing that you can do is if you have an Afterpay card, you might be able to use that pay for that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.